Info snippets to the criteria of circadian rhythm. The source presents 3 criteria so that the biological rhythm is a circadian rhythm. Criteria means something like that must be fulfilled, meaning that here all 3 listed things have to be fulfilled so that the biological rhythm is a circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythms are processes inside of humans happening every 24 hours, and also in the next 24 hours and the next 24 hours. So circadian rhythm are the processes in humans happening every day. For example, digestion shifting into a higher gear, or sleepness setting in at specific times of the day, and also on the next one. 1. The thing happening in humans has to be endogenously, and it has to be present no matter the surrounding conditions. That the process is endogenously means that the cause which starts and does the process comes from within of humans. And to be a circadian rhythm, the process has to happen no matter the environmental circumstances. For example, whether the sun has set or not, even when living in completely brightness or in complete darkness in a cave, tiredness for sleeping sets in. 2. The process must be able to adjust if the environment changes. When someone travels with a plane from Tokyo to Buenos Aires, there's a time difference of 12 hours. When the sun shines in the middle of the day at noon, right under Buenos Aires in Argentina, Tokyo in Japan is on the backside of the planet Earth, in Tokyo it's midnight. When someone travels now from Buenos Aires to Tokyo, they experience something called jet lag. We will, in the middle of the night, fully awake, walk through Tokyo because the inner clock still thinks it's in the middle of the day, because normally at this time the sun is shining high from the sky onto Buenos Aires. Well, now the second criteria says that this inner circadian sleep rhythm will adjust to the new environmental influences, and that will be so after a few days. The sleep rhythm will have adjusted to the day and night times of Tokyo. 3. The process has to happen even if the body temperature changes. The 24 duration of a circadian rhythm has to be intact even if the body temperature changes drastically. This seems to be mostly important for animals which body temperature changes strongly. Reptiles like crocodiles, snakes, turtles, or amphibians like frogs or salamander are ectothermic, which means that their body temperature is dependent on the environment. If they want to get warm, they are going into the sun. If they want it cold, they are heading to the shadow. They are going their hairs because they are ectotherm, and not as humans endotherm, an immense and significant influence onto their body temperature. Change of the body temperature can change the kinetics of molecular processes in cells. Circadian processes have to start from within of humans, and they have to happen no matter the environmental influences, but the circadian processes have to be able to adjust to environmental influences, and the circadian process have to be in their also demanded repeating 24-hour long duration period, even if the body temperature changes.